In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Blox private server. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you simple steps to properly join or host a private server. So first, go into Blox. You will notice that I am recording this video on my mobile device. However, if you are playing on PC or even console, you are going to be able to follow along as well. After you select Blox, you are going to be able to scroll down and go into the servers. In here is where you can properly join or create private servers. So if you want to create a private server, tap this option at the top, and as long as you have 200 Robux, you are going to be able to create a server. You will notice that I don't have the Robux at the moment. I apologize for this, so I won't be able to show the full process. But after you create a private server, you can easily manage it through this window, and I'm gonna show you an example later. You can join servers that your friends are in, you can see them here, and you can browse through other servers. Of course, you can't join servers that are full right away. If you try to join a server that is full, you are simply going to have to wait and look at your position in line at the bottom of the screen. Once the line moves, you are going to be allowed into the game. Of course, if you join a server that is not full, you can use this option here, exclude full servers. You are going to load into the experience immediately. So as long as you choose a server that is not full, you are going to be allowed inside of Blox. The process is very straightforward. If you are having trouble with a private server of yours, it could be because you didn't set it up correctly, or like I said, you are trying to join a full server. When you set up a custom server for any experience inside of Roblox, it is very easy to manage the server, and you will be able to do it at any time. So as you can see, this is how the private server screen looks like if you have a server. You are going to be able to see it here. You can tap these three dots to configure the server, and there isn't much that you can change. You can change the name, confirm that the experience is set to Blox. As you can see, this is only an example, and you will be able to change this option. You need to make sure that this is ticked on, or else the server is going to be disabled. So make sure that this option is on and your server is going to be fixed and properly working. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Blox private server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.